YouTube, what it do, man? Gang, what it do, man? This your boy Waterhead. Some of y'all know me as Tracy. Some of y'all know me as Trey. However you call me, whatever you call me, just call me. Anyways, today, man, we going freshwater fishing. We finna snag some bass. You know, we finna do a thing. We finna use the bait caster. But I got some old footage for y'all too, like from a few months ago, maybe even a year ago. You know, big bass that I done caught. I got some footage on the saltwater too. I got some footage of my daughter catching big bass, her first peacock bass. So, you know what I'm saying, man? We finna get it in today. But first, I gotta go grab me a few slices of pizza. I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day. So, let's get it, dog. But y'all already know we gotta do one more thing, man. We gotta switch the Crocs to sports mode. Stop playing. So y'all know we gotta put the Crocs in sports mode. And don't worry, cause I already know if y'all anything like my people, I'm already know y'all like, ooh, them raggedy Crocs, them dirty Crocs. So in the next video, I'm gonna have a brand new pair of Crocs for y'all. But right now we in sports mode. Let's get it. All right, gang, so check it out. I left a little pizza spot. He told me I don't do slices on the weekend. So I had to shift. I told I can't wait 20 minutes for no whole pie. I pulled up on Taco Bell, dog. You can't go wrong with Taco Bell. It's a must you get a chalupa. And it's a must you get nachos and cheese. But anyway, we on our way. We headed there. But we got one more thing to do, y'all. Y'all know we gotta switch the designer, man. Stop playing. Y'all know we ain't going out there in the designer. We gotta switch to sports mode. Oh, we got the Army fatigue again today. We ain't do too good in them yesterday, but we gonna bust them today. Believe that. All right, gang, we on the way. So, since y'all tapped into the second video, I told y'all the more y'all watch, I'm gonna start giving y'all the sauce, man. Y'all see I done switched the dash to the digital. Big numbers up there, fat numbers up there, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, but anyways, I'm gonna give y'all a little sauce. The fishing we doing today is on North Lake Boulevard. I ain't gonna tell y'all exactly where, but I'm gonna tell y'all the west end of North Lake Boulevard. Any canal, any lake you see up and down North Lake Boulevard is bass, is peacock bass. I done caught big boy shell cracker, big boy bluegill. You know, so anything on the west side of North Lake Boulevard, pull over, jump out, throw your bait down, see what you can do. Anyway, we got the bait caster today. We keeping it real simple. We got a rubber worm with a real light weight on there. Look at the turtle, y'all. You see how close we get up on him. See how close I get up on him. Yeah, stealth mode, baby. Stealth mode, baby. Let me see how close I get up on him. Let me see how close I get up on him. Oh, he dead. Oh, he dead, y'all. Oh, he dead. I'm still getting up on him. I'm still getting up on him. He dead. Oh, he dead. Oh, he dead. Oh, man. He done let me get all the way up on him. All right, here we go, y'all. This is where we at. Yeah. So I done always had luck out here, man. I didn't see baby gators out here, water moccasins out here, big wet snapping turtles out here. So you know you gotta be alert out here. So we wrap all the way around, all up in that little area. Big boy guards in here, you know, common guard. Wrap around here. Then it's another little spot right here. Nice little hole down there. You know, so let me set y'all up, man. We finna get some bait in the water. Here we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. Big boy bass on a little worm.
Yes, sir. That's what I love, baby. Fresh water, baby.
Let's get them on back out there. I wish I could release them a little closer, but as y'all can see, that grass grew up all the way around. Finna get dog back out there, man. And he out of there. Out of there. Here we go, y'all. Gonna grab us another one. Woo. 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 Here we go, y'all. He ain't as big as the last one, but they out there popping. Look at that there. Look at that there, man. See, most of y'all will be out here getting all frustrated, crying and whining. Oh my gosh. Oh my, just chill, have a little patience, man. All right, we're gonna shift to the other side. Before we shift to the other side, I told y'all I had some old footage for y'all. Here goes some footage of my daughter catching her first peacock. And I ain't gonna lie, this might be the biggest bass I ever seen in person in my life that she caught on a shiner, caught the peacock bass on a shiner, all in one day. So I'm gonna show y'all that footage, then we're gonna jump back to the other side. Let me see what you got.
A peacock.
Big first peacock. Nice one.
Ooh.
He gonna jump too. Told you that's how they is. Pretty beautiful fish, man. You want me to get him or you got him? Let me see what you did. This don't make no damn. Look at this fish she just caught. Bring him up out of there. Come up here. Bring him up out of there, baby. Let me see him. Put him down. Bring him out the net. All right, man. They're right there. Hold it. Let me see you. Bro. Let me see him one more time. Wow, bro. That's a big bass. Good release. Look at him. Woo! Good catch. Give me 5. Here we go, y'all. Ooh, you're a big one, too. Get him up out of there. He a big one, too. He a big one, too. On down, baby. Ooh, he's smiling for you. He's smiling for you, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a nice one. That's a nice one right there, baby. Get him back in there. One more before we leave, y'all. One more before we leave, y'all. Didn't I tell you? One more before we leave, y'all. Get him up out of there. Get him up out of there. One more before we leave, y'all. One more for the road, baby. Oh, he ain't that big, little baby. Little small one. So check this out, I got some more footage for y'all. I caught a tarpon a couple weeks back.
at the spot we was at on the last video in the dark under the bridge called a nice size tarpon. I got them on video. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna let y'all check them out. After that, we gonna be at the next spot. Let's ride. All right, gang, so we done made it to the second spot out here. I found this spot a few months back, maybe like a month or two back, just riding along the road, seeing a little spillway, pulled over, took a look down here. I seen a few bass last time I came, you know, just hanging out on the side. So I'm gonna set y'all up, man. We see what we can grab up out of the, we doing the same thing, we doing a little plastic worm. I'm gonna switch to this crawfish in a little bit. We're gonna see what we gonna get out here. Got one, y'all. Yo, y'all. Ooh, this a big one. Ooh, this a big one, y'all. I knew they was out here. I think this the biggest one all day, y'all. I knew they was out here. Yes, sir. Came to the second spot, hit him up. Hit him on the crawfish this time. Floating them, like I said, letting them drop to the bottom. Bringing them back up, dropping them down, bringing them back up. That's what you get, baby. That's how you get that largemouth. Alright, y'all. We got us a nice one over here on the crawfish. This canal extends all the way down. Like, I'm looking, like at least a mile. I'm looking. So, right now we set up on the tripod, so I can't be walking up and down and fishing. But in a while, I'm gonna get my GoPro and we gonna go on the hike. We going all the way up and down. We gonna see what's up and down this lake. We gonna shoot to the other side right now. See what's over there. I wish I could get down in there. Right in that little bend, you see that water flowing? See how that water flowing right there? The left side, that water flowing in there. Better some fish down there. But anyway, we finna shift to this side, and I ain't gonna lie, it's shaded on this side, so the fish just might be hanging out right on that edge right there where it's shaded at. Fish like that, they don't like the sun either. They don't like the sun either, so we finna drop right down here and see what's going on down here. Okay, pretty decent. Like I say, he's shaded, so maybe some bass. We got some lily pads. A little more windy up under here with these trees, wind cutting, but let's see what we can get right here, man. All right, YouTube, we finna wrap it up for the day. We had a worm on the other day. We caught a big one down here at the spillway on the crawfish. We had the octane bait caster. We got us some good fish today, man. I was able to catch some good footage for y'all today, man. So we finna wrap it up, man. Till next time, man. Y'all stay tapped in.